This is the brief on React 18 state logic. So, we're diving into a coding challenge. It's called React 18 State Batching and Console Log Logic. And really, it's just a perfect little puzzle to test how you think React actually handles events from a user. First, let's talk about the setup, which is kind of deceptive. We've got a basic component with a state variable, count, and it starts at 0. Simple enough. Second, inside the click handler for a button, we try to increment that counter twice, back to back. Now, you might expect this to add up to 2, right? But with React 18, it groups, or batches, these updates together. Think of it like a waiter taking your whole order at once. The result is just a single re-render, and the count only becomes 1. Finally, the real twist is in the console log right after those updates. Because the function is still looking at the value from the current render, it logs 0. It proves the state hasn't actually changed in that moment. This little snippet is just a sharp lesson in how React's batching and closures work together to keep your UI consistent, even if the logic feels a bit counterintuitive at first.